What if I told you the stock market crashing could be your once-in-a-decade chance to get rich? Sounds crazy? Stay with me, because I'm about to show you how the rich think differently during a crash. Right now, maybe your feed is probably filled with doom and gloom. Stocks are falling, portfolios are bleeding, and everyone's screaming sell. But you're going to do the opposite. And I'll show you exactly why, and how to stay cool when everyone's losing their minds. But first, have you ever wondered why every stock market crash eventually becomes a millionaire-making machine? Stick around, because I'll reveal that pattern in less than 20 seconds. Think about it. In 2008, people lost their shirts, but those who stayed, or even better, bought more, saw insane returns by 2013. Why does history always repeat itself? And more importantly, how can you be on the winning side this time? Here with me today is a stock investor. Welcome to the channel, Alex. Don't go anywhere. When we come back, you'll see why experts says a dip is the best time to invest. Stay tuned. On this channel, I break down simple business ideas, money strategies, and wealth-building habits that anyone can apply. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications, because the next opportunity might be one video away, and I don't want you to miss it. Welcome back. Over to you, Alex.
It's my pleasure, West. Sure, first, what is a crash, really? It's not the end of the world, it's simply the market hitting the reset button. When prices fall, they don't stay down forever. They fall because people are scared, not because companies suddenly became worthless overnight. Here's a simple mindset shift. When there's blood in the streets, that's when fortunes are made. Yeah, it's an old saying, but guess what? It works. But wait, how do you know what to buy and when? Should you really just throw money at falling stocks? Stay tuned, because in about 30 seconds, I'm going to give you a simple 3-rule checklist to spot golden opportunities during a crash. Okay, let's be real. In a crash, your brain will scream, "Get out!" And your emotions will try to take over logic. But this is exactly where the rich get richer and the poor stay poor. They know crashes are temporary. They see discounted assets, not danger. Imagine walking into your favorite store and everything is 50% off. What do? You buy more, right? Why is the stock market any different? But what if the crash lasts months or years? How do you survive without losing your cool? Hang tight. I'll tell you in 20 seconds how patience can turn panic into profits. Here's the truth. Most crashes recover faster than people expect. It feels endless when you're in it, but history shows markets bounce back. The 2020 crash recovered in just 5 months. The 2008 crash took a few years, but those who stayed in made life-changing gains. It's not about timing the bottom perfectly. It's about being there when the rebound happens. Now, ready for the 3-rule checklist to profit during crashes? Here's the simple checklist. Invest in what you understand. Don't gamble on hype stocks. Stick to companies with real value. Diversify. Spread your investments across industries. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have a long-term plan. If you're investing with a 5-10-year horizon, a crash today will look like a tiny blip later. But hey, you might be wondering, how much should you invest during a crash? I'm about to answer that in 20 seconds, with a strategy even beginners can use. Use dollar cost averaging. It's the simplest, stress-free way to invest during chaos. Set a fixed amount you invest regularly, crash or no crash. Why? Because trying to guess the bottom is a losing game. Dollar cost averaging lets you buy more when prices are low, and fewer when prices are high. It smooths out the ride and keeps your emotions in check.
Thank you very much, Alex. Still scared of losing money? Good. That fear is your biggest enemy and your greatest teacher. But what if I told you the biggest risk is actually doing nothing? Let's wrap this up. You see, during every crash, 2 types of people are made. Those who panic, sell, and regret. And those who stay calm, buy, and win big. Which one do you want to be? Remember, wealth is built in the downturns, not the booms. The crash is your opportunity. The panic is your advantage. If this opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who's panicking right now. And hey, if you want me to make a video on exactly what stocks the rich buy during crashes, just type, "I'm ready" in the comments. Subscribe now, because the next crash could be your richest moment yet.